Most creators spend hours posting, but their content gets ignored. No views, no followers, and definitely no income. The secret to standing out online is one thing: branding. The first step is choosing your niche. Don't try to please everyone. Your unique voice is your greatest weapon. Pick what excites you and match it with what people are searching for. Brand identity makes you recognizable in seconds. Your colors, fonts, and style should reflect your personality. When you're consistent, people remember you and trust you. Short-form videos explode your reach. The hook in the first 3 seconds decides if people stay or scroll. Storytelling makes your content binge-worthy. And yes, you can go viral if you follow the system. Engagement is the algorithm's love language. Replying to your audience builds loyalty. Turn random followers into loyal fans. It's not about numbers, it's about community. Brands pay creators with real engagement. Your own products create passive income streams. Smart creators build multiple income streams. This is how your passion becomes a real business. Your brand, your story, your audience is waiting. That's why I created Personal Branding and Content Creation Mastery. It includes everything: templates, scripts, and proven strategies. Click the link below, start today, and let's build your brand together.